Welcome back to the off-grid camper. That's right, I said off-grid, not off-road. New page, new channel coming soon. We got the box truck back. Drove it around for over 100 miles in downtown Portland yesterday, running a whole bunch of errands, and I drove it around just a little bit further just to make sure everything was hunky-dory and that she was running right. And this is what we found out, or the solution rather, and that is she got a whole brand new gas tank, and then the pickup assembly was cleaned and rinsed out, all the screens replaced, the strainer replaced. I haven't read the work order, but we had talked about the fact that they were going to flush the entire fuel system out. So I'm assuming they did do that. Truck's never run so great. I mean, it ran really good. Tack on another $3,500 repair bill to this thing. So now we're well over 11K in repairs for a truck that was supposedly ready to go. But we think we got it fixed, although last night I was coming down the last hill towards the campground outside of Astoria, and something started rattling in the engine that wasn't rattling the rest of the day. So I'm going to start it up right now and see if it was just hot or something let go or what, but she got real loud real quick, and it didn't sound right, even though it still had plenty of power, which normally when it's acted up it had no power. So go ahead and get in here, we'll give her a start. Set you guys down here. Hopefully you guys will stay there and enjoy the view of the picnic table. Yeah, that's a little better. All right. Sadly, my mini tripod is buried in the trailer somewhere in some unmarked basket or box. So, all right, might help if I had the right keys. Okay, here we go. Ford keys for a Ford. All right, let's put it out here. So, wait to start. Wait to start. Pretty good start. Hesitated just a little bit. Well, she was snapping right to life yesterday. So while we're waiting to warm up here and listen to it, let me show you what we've done in the back here. We now have cab access. So until the build is built, I cut a access door there to get into the back because the outside latch on the human door on the side fell off somewhere between Portland and Scappoose. So you can open it from the inside and lock it from the inside, but you can't do anything from the outside unless you have a special tool that we made up to open it from the outside. All right, it's got the lights on in here. Okay, so I still got a little bit of wood in here that I need to dispose of in a garbage bag. Have not removed the paneling from that side because it does seem to be intact. It does not seem to be damp. I need to pull that little piece of plywood off right there where the patch the outside of the box from a cargo door. and make sure there's no moisture in there. But if there isn't, I will probably leave the plywood on that side of the box, just so I've got something to attach the new walls to. So this is it. You know, here's the mother-in-law's attic right there. I do have to pull the plywood off of that. Most of it is damp, if not soaked, like right up there. And then this piece here is only being held on by the garage door, rear door tracks. It's got one screw or two screws at the top holding it in place. This one here on the roof is only being held up by the tracks. So it's completely attached. Okay, well, while we're in here, I might as well get a cold Coke. And while I was in town yesterday, I charged up the EcoFlow. Let's see how it's been running this fridge and nothing else since about 3 o'clock yesterday. So let's see where we're at for battery here. Oh, we're at 81%. That's not bad. Yeah, all the batteries I have, all my portables, everything was dead when I went into town yesterday. What the hell is this? Why is this? Clips broke. Have to zip tie that back up out of the way. All right, let's go outside, listen to the truck. I'll tell you though, all these crazy different types of diesel fuel that are out there with the bio additives, this thing runs completely different on the various forms of biodiesel. That's cool. I found the tag I hadn't noticed before for the when the box was attached to the chassis and belt. That's good information to have. That company's still in business 27 years later. So anyway, that's the deal with the box truck. And we'll give her a rev here so you guys can hear. Alright, well, we're going to end the video right here. As always, like, subscribe, and share for more 7.3 liter Powerstroke content.